going on YouTube, and thanks for coming back for another video. Alrighty guys, so in today's video I'm actually going to be in my front yard today. I'm going to be replacing out some valves, so let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, so here's some of the stuff we're going to be needing for outside. Number one is going to be your brand new valve. Also you're going to need your male adapters, a PVC cutter, or you could use the little hacksaw if you like, it's up to you, and also some PVC cement. Alright guys, so let's go ahead outside and get to it. Alright guys, now that we're outside, the first thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and shut off your water. I have a separate one that goes straight to my sprinkler system, so I can shut that off right here. If you don't have one, you're probably going to have to shut off your main water. So go ahead and shut that off. Alright, next thing we're going to do is go ahead and disconnect these wires from the solenoid. This is what goes to your timer actually. So if you like, you can do a couple things. You can take a picture, that way you know what zone goes to what, or you could always just write it down, that way you don't forget. So let's go ahead and disconnect it. Next thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and get your PVC cutter or your hacksaw, whichever you prefer. We're going to go right underneath right here, the coupling, and we're going to go ahead and cut that off. Alright guys, next thing we're going to do, we're going to attach the male adapter to the bottom of the valve. I'm just going to go in there and tighten it up. If you like, you can go ahead and use some of that Teflon tape, which I actually have, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some and then tighten it up. Now that we got the tape on, just going to want to go ahead and tighten it up nice and snug. Alright guys, next we're going to apply that PVC cement and glue it together. Alright guys, so next we're going to go ahead and add the cement to the pipes. So we're going to add cement around this area, and then also along the inside as well. And then you're going to see right here, it doesn't really line up too well. So what I'm going to have to probably do is squeeze them together just a little bit, and then hold it down as the cement hardens up. So it shouldn't be too bad. Alright, let's get started. Alright, first you're going to add your primer. This purple one right here. We're also going to add an insert right here. way too much. So the inside of the key. Okay. Hold it down. There we go. Alright guys, so now we got this in there. Next thing we're going to do is rewire this. It's pretty simple actually. What we're going to do is just grab one of these wires, doesn't matter which one. We're going to attach it to the common wire, and mine happens to be the white. I'll go ahead and use that nut. I really should get the outdoor ones that are like waterproof and all that, so I'll probably end up swapping these out for that. Okay, so one wire goes to the common wire, the next one goes to the zone, which happens to be red, which is right here. And go ahead and wire nut those. Okay, that's all it is to it, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap out this one also, and then I'll show you guys when I'm all done. Alrighty guys, so there it is on both sides, all completed. You're gonna want to wait roughly about 15 minutes or so before you turn your water back on, and you'll be good to go, guys. Alright, well, I hope you guys liked this little quick video. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.